This crème brûlée cheesecake has become my most requested dessert to bring to any party or holiday. The first time I made it was for my cousin's wife's birthday because her favorite desserts are crème brûlée and cheesecake, so I thought, why not combine them? It's been a hit ever since. Now, the most memorable time I made it was for a friend's birthday where I actually forgot it at home and my husband had to throw it in an Uber to be delivered to my location. I'm sure that driver thought I was nuts. Anyway, this cake is so creamy, rich, and filled with flavor from the vanilla bean paste. The best part is when everyone gathers around for the torching of the top. It's a full-on show, then breaking through that caramelized sugar crust is the ultimate moment. It's crunchy, satisfying, and the perfect contrast to the cheesecake underneath.